Hello, it's Mr. Cerisa. I just want to do a quick talk about a parabola. And parabolas are pretty simple. You just have to remember what the definition is. And the definition is that it's the line that's equidistant between a focus. So I'm just going to draw a focus and a line. So in this case, we're going to do the line here. And, oops, I totally missed that. Alright, so pretend that's a straight line going through y equals -2. And so the equidistant part, that's just saying, okay, so halfway between this line, that's where we're going to start making our parabola. So that green point is equidistant between the focus, and that's up here, and the directrix. That's down here. And so this is true going whatever direction we need. Oops. And so these are equidistant. So we have a point here. And the same thing happens on the other side. Equidistant. So we have a point here. And then we go straight out. And we have a point. Straight out. We have a point, and this is true, no matter where we are. So I'm going to connect the dots here and kind of estimate where the rest will be. But you can see from the focus to any point, these guys should be the same distance. Go ahead, take any point, go straight down. That should be the equidistance. So you have there, and what we're going to start off with is just with the vertex on the origin. So there's the vertex, and these are the three main things that you'll need to know about the parabola. So make sure you always know where the focus is, the directrix, and the vertex. And it can be very easy, and there's a few different forms of this, so just be careful with each form. So I'm going to go to each form. And so we have these forms, and they make it look very difficult. So let me just walk through and make it a little easier for you. The first couple of types have a y squared, which really just means there's two y's for one x. And so it either opens to the left or the right, and then the negative ones are going to be opening to the left. And you can think of that as the a. See how it's 4ax? Think of the a as the negative, and it all works out the same. The other type are with the x squareds, which means now there's two x's for one y. And they'll open up or down. And again, the negative one goes with the down, which seems pretty intuitive. Alright, and so you can see all four of these types here underneath. And so what I mean by one x for two y's, well, here's a point is an x, here's one y, here's another y. So you can see